As you can see here, fake gurus are saying that you will earn $15 a minute by watching YouTube videos. If you have seen my previous videos, you already know that those fake gurus are trying to just take advantage of you. And that's why I will show you today 7 legitimate ways to make more money by watching YouTube videos. If you don't know me before, I'm Rob from Finland. I'm the founder of the popular YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to make money online worldwide. And on this channel, YouTube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And today we are talking about how to make money watching YouTube videos. Let's start immediately with the first method that usually most fake gurus tell you. What they don't reveal to you is how little you will actually earn with this method, which is also known as link shortener method. They usually show you one of these websites like shrinkme.io or adfly or ok.io. And the idea, of course, with these link shorteners is that you copy paste the link, then when somebody clicks that link, you are supposed to earn a little bit of money. But the challenge is that they pay extremely little bit of money. If you saw my previous videos, you noticed that the real earnings of these 384 people right here were less than $0.06 per user. In other words, less than 6 cents per user. And some of these users have used this website already for 2 or 3 years. So just imagine working for 2 years and earning less than 6 cents. That's what the gurus don't tell you, and that's why I don't recommend these websites, even though they may be legitimate and they do pay actually money if you really work for hours and hours and hours, because the earnings are so low. If you like to make money copy pasting links, then I recommend the better method. I called it targeted copy pasting because, for example, with this program I have earned $13,491 in the last 30 days, as you can see here, and if I take the last 7 days, it has paid more than $2,600 already. And for example, with this one, you can see here some highlight pays. This one paid like $4,100 in the 7 days right here, $1,000 in a day, $350 in a day, and anything in between. And I call this targeted copy pasting because the idea is that people are searching for something on YouTube. Let me give you an example. For example, Bybit tutorial for beginners, how to get started on Bybit. So then my video shows up and they get started with Bybit, and I have earned more than $13,000 in the 30 days. Let's take another example with this one, which is called Wealthy Affiliate. So people are searching for Wealthy Affiliate review or Wealthy Affiliate payment proof, for example. And then here I saw when I earned $8,272 from Wealthy Affiliate. Here I saw even more payment proofs, and I saw people who have made more than $1 million online copy pasting links, also known as affiliate marketing. And then I say, yes, Wealthy Affiliate pays on time. And then of course I earn money, and people also can start earning money with Wealthy Affiliate. So that's better, in my personal opinion, than trying these random link shorteners and trying to get in front of random people that fake gurus usually tell you. By the way, those fake gurus don't even use the methods that they recommend. They simply show you some random methods that they are not even using just to get views. You see that I'm personally using these targeted copy pasting methods to make money on YouTube. But let's move immediately to the third way to make money, and that is of course learning about Bitcoin. Let me show you an example from my own life. So on my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, I often teach people about Bitcoin. I saw that the price of Bitcoin has gone all the way from $0.1 to $1, $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000. Now when you are watching this, I guess that Bitcoin is worth already more than $10,000, possibly going towards 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, so on and so forth. So people who have been learning about Bitcoin, whether it's through YouTube videos or from other sources, have obviously made massive amounts of profits and massive amounts of money if they have acquired some Bitcoin. And you can also learn through YouTube videos how you can get more Bitcoin regularly. For example, on my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, on my playlist Earn Money on Binance, I saw, for example, here when I get money using this Binance trading bot. In other words, I get more and more Bitcoin every single day using these bots, and you can see I have been earning profits with this, and by the time you are watching, the profits are probably even much higher. And of course, my channel is just one of many examples where you can learn about Bitcoin. You can also search on YouTube Michael Saylor and you will learn about Bitcoin, or you can search for Andreas Antonopoulos and then you can learn also as well. Bitcoin is the strongest form of money ever seen on planet Earth, and I highly recommend that you learn more about it even for 100% free. For example, on my main channel here I show 13 legitimate apps that pay Bitcoin for free. So my subscribers can simply take their phone and they can start getting Bitcoin for free using their smartphones. And then I also teach people how to store Bitcoin safely and all of these important things about acquiring wealth and financial freedom. Fourth way to earn more money watching YouTube videos, of course, getting ideas from others. Let me give you some examples from my own life. For example, this Bybit program where I earned more than 13,000 in the last 1 month. I simply saw this on YouTube and then I decided to start with this program, and then I earned a lot of money with this. So it was simply by watching YouTube videos, learning from them and also taking action. Here is another example that I found from YouTube. It's called Let's Say Marketer. My record with this program was all the way to $3,000 earnings in 1 day. And here is another example, crypto.com. I also heard about this mobile application on YouTube, and since then I have earned thousands of dollars as a user of their mobile app, and on top of that I decided to partner up with them, so I have also earned from that. So simply by watching YouTube videos, getting ideas from others, you can earn tens of thousands of dollars or even much more in the long run. Then the fifth legitimate method that some fake gurus actually recommend, but I don't recommend if you want to make money watching videos, are these micro job sites such as Micro Workers or Sprout Gigs, also known as Pico Workers before. Yes, these websites actually may be good for some purposes, but if your goal is to make money watching YouTube videos, I wouldn't recommend that one, because how it basically works on these websites is that some YouTubers go there and they request for comments, likes and views, and they pay small amount of money for that. And in many cases it's against YouTube's rules. So if you are doing that, you're actually breaking the YouTube's rules. And on top of that, if you are doing it, you are most likely earning really small amount of money, and it may take even tens of years to earn any significant amount of money. Meanwhile, other people have started, for example, with Bybit and Wealthy Affiliate and have already made a life-changing income. Meanwhile, other people are just trying to earn some pocket money with these micro job websites. So this is of course a legitimate website to make money. If you want to do it, I'm not going to judge you, but it's not going to make you any life-changing income. Sixth option pays you a little bit more than those micro job websites that I recommended, but still not a lot, and that is doing surveys. So answering questions like, are you man or woman, did you like this video or not, what did you notice in this video, so on and so forth. Simple questions that even your 7-year-old cousin or 98-year-old grandmother would be able to answer. And if you like some survey sites, Swagbucks, Idle Empire, Survey Time, these websites in total have of course paid hundreds of millions of dollars to their users. I just checked today, Swagbucks has already paid more than $800 million to their users during the last 15 years. So yes, you can make money by watching videos. You can even subscribe to Disney Plus and earn money by doing that, watching videos on Disney Plus. But again, this is not something that I would highly recommend because it doesn't pay so much. Yes, you can do that and earn some pocket money on your free time. Feel free to do that. Be keep in mind, you are not going to become rich by using these easy money websites and easy money apps. That's something that I always want to underline. And the seventh idea is of course watching YouTube channels that teach you how to make money. I already mentioned my channel earlier and I will show you in a moment a couple of other ones. But before I show you the other ones, I want to mention that in this make money online industry on YouTube, there are a lot of channels that you should not watch. And there are a lot of people who are lying in front of your face, so you should really be careful who you trust. And of course it's good that you can always verify all the information yourself before at least you put your own money into something. And of course if you are just making money for free, for example like on Bybit Affiliate you can make money for free, then you don't have any risk of losing your own money. But if some fake gurus is asking your own money, then you need to verify it from several different sources. Just a word of warning before we go into those other legitimate YouTube channels. Here are a couple of YouTube channels if you want to learn to make more money online. One of them is of course Russell Brunson, also known as Marketing Secrets if you like marketing. Pat Flynn, also Make More Money, Save More Time, Help More People. I like his content. And another legitimate guy is of course Neil Patel, All Things Marketing. So these are specifically good if you are interested in making more money with marketing. But then you can of course specialize on something. Let's say you want to make more money, for example, in the Bitcoin industry. Then you can take a look at the channels that talk about, let's say, Bitcoin mining or Bitcoin companies or all these kind of things. And then you can learn from those YouTube videos and you can increase your knowledge and earn more money and help more people at the same time. And one of the most powerful ways to make money on YouTube is of course by creating your own channel and making money through your own channel. I know anybody can do it. You can start from zero and make a life-changing income because I have done it. Thousands of other people have done it. So on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, I will help you every single week to make more money on YouTube. And if you want to get even more detailed support and guidance, come to my program Tube Journey to Freedom. I will show you from A to Z how you will build your successful channel and make a life-changing income on YouTube. For example, on module 5, I will show you a one-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, how to earn money even from your first video, get paid even before creating videos, and best way to earn $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much more. So you and me, my friends, we are going to see on the other videos on Tube Journey to Freedom and in my program Tube Journey to Freedom as well.